Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna switch my main switch on here. Now that it's all connected, I'm gonna try to turn on first and foremost my Sea Air Max fan to see how it works. Nope. So one of the disadvantages of building while staying in the van is that you have everything everywhere while you are eating and repairing whatever's needed to be done in the van. So right now, like, I have to remove all the existing electrical wires that is not working. I'm just gonna discard it, and so this is, I don't know, the 10th time that I am removing this area for me to work on electrical, and this time hopefully it's since I already tested the light and everything, it's working fine now. So I don't need this old electrical running wire that's gonna take up space and weight in the van, so I'm removing it, everything. I've taken off my fan today because I'm planning to redo the wirings for this. Like the original one, it has the household 12 gauge wires here, so I'm gonna take it out and redo it because I guess some of the wires keep getting short, so I'm trying to fix that, and then have to take off all the light that I actually glued on. It's going to be tough, but yeah, retaking that out and rewire this. Since I have this, I'm gonna try to fish it through and see if I can get all the wires go through the front of the van where all my electrical is. For the plug there, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I think that's the one that actually causing the short right now. I don't know exactly where, and I'm not able to destroy my whole van to have it done, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is now. I'm just gonna do my fan and all the ceiling lights today. Okay, so I had a short for my MaxxAir fan. The fuse broke, so I decided to take out the wires and rewires this here, and do the testing and change the fuse to my fuse box right down here, and it works now. So I'm not gonna use the old connections here. I don't know how it was connected, but anyhow, now I need to make a hole through the ceilings here somehow to pull these wires in there, and yeah, like, it's working now. I have a beam that's going from here to here, and in order for me to get through there, I have to drill the hole through here just to go through all the way on the other side of it, to feed the wires go the other side. So it's a little bit tricky there. I'm using this really long drill to do the job, and hopefully it'll work. So I made 2 holes and I passed through the wires finally, and yeah, here at the end to connect to it. Okay, so I was able to draw from another hole from my MX fan here to the other side there, and wiring from this one here. I drill the hole through here and then, like, you know, through there. So okay, so in order for me to pass all this wires through the ceiling, I had to end up cutting a few of this pine panel out on both sides here, because it was just too hard to poke the hole through, and I wasn't able to do it. So here it is. I cut it here in order for me to put from here over, and then from here again I have to cut a little bit of this here to put through on my last LED light there. So yeah, almost done. Hi there. So I am underneath the bed inside the garage now, and I'm installing these touch, we say, like Brightstar lights here. I've installed some on top of my the ceiling of the van, and now I'm installing this in the garage. So what I do with it is, I'm just gonna switch around. See, I'm doing this in parallel. So this lights here, I've connect the on the Brightstar here, the lights, the black is actually positive, and this is a neutral. So since I'm using the red wires as my positive inside this van, I'm going to continue that. Actually on the ceiling I switch it around, but here this is my positive, and this is to the ground there, the negative, and I wired that into this one here, and basically, so the positive here and the negative are grounds, and all of that going to this red wires, which is the positive, is going to my switch, and this is going to piggyback and going back to my negative bus bar here. So what I did on this one, after connecting it with the spade here, I string wrapped this, and I'm going to do the same with this here. That concludes the installations of the Brightstar 12 volt LED light, which on-off touch ceiling lights. So it's quite simple. These actually, I believe they are 4 watts each light. They're pretty bright, so I would say, like, you know, it's quite sufficient. I have two on top where the beds are, and 2 of them where the entrances are. So and then on top I have my LED strip lights as well. So yeah, they're quite simple to install. I'm gonna have to wire to the switch into my negative, as this is just for the test for now. So I'm quite happy with the result. I'm gonna be tucking all these wires and everything there underneath. So yeah. Alright, so I just installed this toggle switch. I'm gonna make a hole afterwards, but I'm testing this out here first to control my garage lights. And let's test it out. Yay, it works! Yay! Awesome. Okay, so I finished install this toggle switch. I just made a hold and finished the wiring there. So the moment is just to turn it on and off. Here you go. Off. Cool. Can be controlled with a toggle switch, but this is a touch light, so I can actually turn it on and off with the touch as well. Here you go. That's pretty cool.